my channel. In this spice week of Navratri, whether you're fasting or feasting, I am sure you will love healthy recipes. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Happy Navratri! In the days of fasting during Navratri, there is one food item to take you through all the 9 days. And of course, it is our beloved potato. So today I will be making two classic potato recipes, aloo chaat and aloo salad. So let's get into it. Here I have boiled potatoes, the basic ingredient for both our recipes. Start by chopping them. Now I'll divide them into two separate bowls for two separate recipes. We'll start by making the chaat first. So I'll keep one bowl aside and in this I'll make the chaat. I'll sprinkle some ghee first. If you want, you can add any oil of your choice. Now I'll toss them. If you want, you can fry them. If you want, you can shallow fry them. But today, I will be air frying them. Now I'll add it to the preheated air fryer for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Now I make the green chutney. I'll add mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Now I'll add the green chili. Now I'll add about half teaspoon roasted jeera powder. Half teaspoon rock salt. And half teaspoon sugar. Now I'll add some water. And 2 ice cubes. Now I'll blend it. It smells so good. Now we'll take it out in a bowl. Next, I'll chop the cucumber for the salad. Now I'll add the cucumber in the potato. Meanwhile, my potatoes have also fried. sound of my crunchy potatoes? Now I'll add a pinch of jeera powder. And sendha namak or rock salt. Now I'll add chutney. I will add a lot of chutney in the salad. And I'll add a little bit of chutney in the chaat. I'll squeeze in a lemon. And I'll toss them. Now is the time to serve it. Doesn't it look nice? Whether you're fasting or feasting, a potato recipe will never let you down. Buckwheat banana muffins. Buckwheat is popularly known as kuttu atta. It is popularly used in various recipes during festivals. Being gluten-free, it's a healthy option whether you're fasting or feasting. I'll start by taking a blender jar and I'll add in my overripe bananas. Sugar and oil, and I'll also add in some curd and finally some cinnamon, and I'll blend it. And I'll pour it in my glass bowl. Next, I'll sift in the star ingredient, the buckwheat flour. Next, I'll add a pinch of rock salt or sendha namak. This salt is a speciality during Navratras, and like most festival foods, it has a great healthy benefit too. Now I'll add walnuts and raisins, which are lightly coated in flour. You must have noticed that I did not add baking powder or baking soda. That is because most people don't include it in their festival foods. So I'll be adding fruit salt or eno. Now I'll very quickly add it to my cupcake liners. Now I'll sprinkle some chopped almonds on top. Now I'll bake it at 180 degrees for around 12 minutes. Hear that? It is done! See how beautiful they look. Now I'm going to let them rest on the counter for 5 minutes before I take them out of the molds. See how soft and spongy these are. Do give this recipe a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and see this recipe on creativearjun.com. Links in description below. Thank you.